your mans, then you going next. Chicken coming goops and OnlyFans is how I'm blowing checks. What's rest? I sleep with never death. Come around my way, I'm prepared if this is a test. Hey, I'm a flex till this thing pop out my neck. If I bang, that mean you win against my name and high step. Don't complain, just get a grip. That small change don't make sense. And the lace smoking bitch just pull my last 8 dress. That's a wacky in my bag, I'm finna crack it after this. Maxing hoes out, I'm tryna overdraft a bitch. Rest apology.
Fuck nigga left me for dead, dawg. Real shit, but fuck it, I ain't trippin'. I done been to hell and back. Grab a couple snack, these bullets hot like Takis. They go through your stomach, out your back. Ducking my P.O., I still be posted where the felons at. He think he hard, I put a bullet hole inside his thinking cap. Florida man, I love that Florida water, I be drinking that. As soon as you let that nigga on your boat, he started sinking that. Control her like a puppet, but when I fuck it, ain't no strings attached. That hoe say I'm a dog, but she the one keep giving me Scooby snacks. I be where the shooters at.
I got murder on my mind, yellow tape around his body, it's a fucking homicide. His face is on a t-shirt and his family's traumatized. I didn't even mean to shoot him, he just caught me by surprise. I reloaded my pistol, cocked it back and shot him twice. His body dropped down to the floor, he had teardrops in his eyes. He grabbed me by my hands and said he was afraid to die. I told him it's too late, my friend, it's time to say goodbye. And he died inside my arms, blood all on my